Look closely at this tender embrace, but do not be fooled. The secret these golden birds hold at the end will leave you utterly stunned. These are sun conures, painted with the very fire of a setting sun. Yet beneath this gentle affection lies a shocking paradox. These tiny beings possess a voice that can reach 120 decibels, louder than a roaring chainsaw. They carry the emotional depth of a human child, forming profound, unbreakable bonds. When they love fiercely. To sustain such a vibrant, fiery spirit, they do not feast on the mundane. They require a rich tapestry of nature's bounty. Sweet tropical fruits, wild berries, ancient seeds, and fresh blossoms to fuel their endless energy. The ultimate reveal. You might think capturing a living piece of the sun is impossible, but to bring this brilliant masterpiece into your life commands a price, often reaching up to $1,000, a golden treasure indeed.